Hello everybody, and welcome to this brand new video which will take you one step closer to get your dream job. So today's topic is very interesting. We are going to talk about how you can make an impactful LinkedIn profile in 6 simple steps. We all know that LinkedIn has become a very popular platform for networking, both for job seekers as well as for recruiters. So from a job seeker's perspective, let's talk on how you can make your profile so impactful and magnetic so that it can gain more and more traction and visibility of the recruiters on LinkedIn. People generally tend to take the LinkedIn profile very casually, are not very well maintained, but even the profiles that are received from other sources like job portals or directly from the company website, the hiring manager tends to go to LinkedIn and cross-verify the profile. So let's understand the 6 steps that can make your profile on LinkedIn very impactful. Step number 1 is the profile picture or the photograph that is used on LinkedIn. People use very casual photographs taken at events like wedding, etc. on LinkedIn. My advice is not to do so. Please use very professional photographs on LinkedIn. For dress code, I would advise males to wear a simple white or any light colored plain shirt with a jacket or a blazer, and if possible do wear a tie. For females, any top, again light colored top with a jacket is a good option to go ahead with a photograph to be used on LinkedIn. The second step is to use an appropriate headline. Now in your headline, generally people tend to use highly impactful words, values or qualities, which is not advisable. In my advice, you should use your current job title as a part of the LinkedIn headline, because your job title is what is searched by the recruiter as a keyword to source the profiles. So that's where your profile will gain visibility. Recruiters have a tendency to search the profiles from the job title. So if your current job title matches with the keywords or the job titles that are used by the recruiters, that's where your profile will gain visibility. Step number 3 is the profile summary. Now the profile summary has to be short and sweet. Now in the profile summary, do not talk too much about yourself. Talk about the problems that you have solved. An ideal profile summary should be limited to 3 or 4 lines maximum. Step number 4 is the work experience column. Now again, the work experience has to be mentioned in brief. Mention the job title, the company that you've worked for, and the dates, which include the month and the year. If at all you want, you can explain in one bullet point about your experience, but this is absolutely optional. Step number 5 is recommendations. It is like a cherry on the cake. Please show off your recommendations. Ask for recommendations. Please do not shy. And I always prefer if the recommendations are from the people whom you have reported to, your bosses or your ex-bosses. Recommendations from the peers are okay, but ones from the bosses are a differentiator. And the last and the final, step number 6, is your contact details. Please mention clearly your email ID, your mobile number if at all you want to share, because that's where the recruiter would look for your details and get in touch with you if your profile is shortlisted for your detailed resume. Mention the contact details clearly at a noticeable place. I'm sure these 6 simple steps will help make your profile a magnetic one. If you've liked this video, please like, comment and share. Tag more and more people whom you think this could make a difference. And do share your comments as to what topic you would want my next video to be. Until then, bye bye and keep rocking.